welcome back to all. And today also I'm gonna make contemporary abstract painting with acrylic, and after that acrylic layer I will do oil painting. Yeah, because of in the Cracturism abstract style I have to make the textures, and these textures will be more fine than the acrylic paintings. So let's start. Oh, now this is right. So the first layer is completed now, and now I'm taking out the acrylic golden color, and I will make an eagle face, a calm face of an eagle, and the wings in the condition where an eagle flies high. So both in the abstract form, in the modern form, little portions of both the situations in the single squared frame. This layer is completely dried. Both the layers are completely dried. Now it's time to use oil color. So I'm taking out turpentine and gonna mixing previous taken black oil color, and that is in that tray. That's my mixing palette. After completing this covering over the all layers with the oil black paint, now I'm gonna do the texturing with this iron nail. This iron nail from previous many paintings have you watched. I did the textures these fine textures with the same iron. After small sized textures, now I'm doing bigger size textures, the scratches, bigger size scratches, to make depth in the textures also. hands. Finally, the contemporary abstract painting with acrylic and oil both. This is now completed. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.